Hi, I'm Kania. Welcome to my channel. Today, I know it was just recently that we did an Allure unboxing, but remember, I was out of town, so that unboxing was for February. This unboxing is for March. Okay, so we are looking forward to a little bit better box this month. The last box wasn't completely dissatisfying. It just wasn't as fulfilling, especially when you compared it to the icon box, but I digress. Okay, let's go. Let's get it together. I did open this box. Okay. Hello. Allure 2025 limited edition fragrance box. Oh, okay. Limited edition fragrance box includes quantities are very limited. Well, then they can keep it. This is the female version, and this is the male version. It does come with a candle and a couple of possibly full-size ones. 1, 2, 3, maybe. Not bad. Okay, this is the brochure for this month. All right, what do we have here? Oh, Belief Super. Oh. Why do you always start with the non-English side? I don't know. Super Drops Niacinamide Golden Glow Serum by Belief. So I totally forgot to give the prices for the Allure, no, the IPSY icon box, but one item in the box retails for over $100. I was like, okay, so cute packaging, just simple. Not gonna open it, but I'm gonna use it. I like this brand. They have an Aqua Bomb moisturizer that's really good. Really good. I actually took the sample with me to on my trip. I think I used it all, and then did not recycle the packaging because I was in a foreign state. Foreign state. Okay, as we go, I've decided just now that as I go, I'm going to scan it for the Yuka app and then give prices. Okay, this is a 50, so this is good. This is considered good. And that retails for $38 for a 50 mil. This is a fifth of that. What is that noise? Is that person? Okay. I don't know what that is. So this is like 380. I don't know. Okay. No, that would be like, I don't know. Don't ask me to do math in my head. Okay, next is lip balm and gloss in one. Glow Recipe Plump Hyaluronic Gloss Balm. Plump and moisturize. Very cute. Very cute. Is that a dog? Oh, this is cute. Oh, this is too cute. Oh, this is too cute. This is too cute. I wish it had like a little spatula though, so I didn't have to put my finger in there. Nope, it doesn't. It's cute on the box is cute on the inside too though. Looks like a flower. That's cute. Glow Recipe. I do like their stuff too. All right, you could tell me what you got. 43. Not totally terrible, but not great. Okay. Oh, and that Glow Recipe retails for $22 for this size. Yep. No, this is half an ounce. Yeah, $22. So this is, I can't do math. Let me just do the math. What did I say this was? $7.60 worth of product. Okay, next, Skin Fix Triple Lipid Plus Collagen Eye Treatment. I have got to get these under eyes handled. Okay, people? Okay. And I've got to get some sleep tonight. I woke up at 5. I was exhausted all day. This is metal? Okay. Also, top lid. A light cream. I like that. I really wish it had a spatula though. But I will use it. I use all my eye products because these dark circles that are covered up with concealer that you can still see, not going to undarken themselves. This retails for $54. This one right here. Yuka, what do you have to say? I'm curious, actually. 49. Okay. So 50 is good. 49 says poor. So we're just going to take that with a grain of salt. Okay. Okay. So I've done those 3. I have 3 more things. Okay, let's do this. Oh, Danessa Myricks Beauty Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder in Low Lighter. Instead of it being a highlighter, it's a low lighter. Interesting. Okay, let's see. I didn't bring my knife because I figured, oh, I opened the box. Why? Scan. 30. Packaging. It looks like a nice bronzy color. Like better for deeper skin tones, you know? Oh, that's cute. I like the packaging. I like that. I could probably use that as a blush, honestly. Does this twist or how does this work? It looks like it twists. It's so slick though. I can't get it. Oh, yes. It twists. And is that a cream? Oh, it is. Okay. That's definitely with a special brush. And that's a blushy. That's going to be a blushy blush for me. Like a nice glowy, springy blush. A texture reducing, blurring balm. It says balm, right? Balm to powder with a soft matte color that subtly low lights and blurs for a natural lifted glow. So yeah, it's a blushy blush thing. Okay. Oh. That one's 30. Did I say that? Okay. Yeah. Oh, that retails for. The only bad thing about checking the retail is that then I look in the book and I see what's in the box, but everybody gets the same thing, so it doesn't matter. This retails for $25. It came in 3 colors. I think I was supposed to choose a color. Not knowing what it was, I don't even think I did, but that's neither here nor there. Size Up Mascara, immediate supersize volume by Sephora. Now, I will say Sephora does have good mascaras, I think. Have I used their mascara? Is it Ulta? Ulta. It was Ulta. I don't like this packaging. Oh, this way. I don't like this packaging. But I guess it works because you could squeeze it. Nope, it's hard as a rock. But I mean, could this sample be in a smaller Sephora? Really? I guess I'll scan it. I mean, I could keep it at work as an emergency mascara if I really needed something. This is a 31, but not whatever. This really? How many times are you supposed to be able to use this little tiny tube? That's just ridiculous. Really ridiculous. This retails for $13 for 0.47 ounces. This is 0.05 ounces. So this is 15 cents worth practically. So disappointed. Okay. Last but not least, Dew Point Moisturizing Gel. This is a 41 by Versed. Dew Point Moisturizing Gel Cream. I was really hoping that would be better. And I was thinking it was a perfume because all I could see was this part. I didn't know what theme they were going with there, but okay. Green tea extract and aloe leaf juice made for all skin types. Like light jelly-like moisturizer that keeps the bounce on in your skin. Okay. I have a lot of moisturizers that I have to work through, sealed for safety, and I'm probably going to have to start numbering them so that I do use them in the correct order. I also have a lot of face washes that I'm working through. I did not grab it, but there is one that I will absolutely not ever use again, and I'm probably going to throw it away. This retails for $14.99. Okay. That size right there. Okay, so the box is worth it, obviously. These two items alone, which I'm excited about. This one, this Golden Glow Serum, excited about that. This looks fun. This looks fun on a, throw some concealer on these under eyes and pop this on with a little bit of gloss. Easy peasy, get out the door kind of look. I like it. I like it a lot. Yeah, Glow Recipe. I do like their stuff. Their stuff is really cute. A New Light. Is that what the theme is? I never really read the theme, do I? A New Light. Spring is around the corner, and I love that feeling. Okay, great. Cute. So she's probably wearing all this stuff, which is great. Like my shirt. Yeah. Oh my gosh, this little boy is so handsome, so cute, such a cuddle bug. Okay. Yeah, I'm missing my grandbaby today. Plus I'm really tired, and I think I get really emotional when I'm tired. Anyways, thank you for watching. That's all. This box was eh. The next icon box is in May, and after that one, I may take a break from Allure. No. I'm sorry. I'm thinking about the wrong thing. I may stop this after this month. I think I need to pause on this for a minute because these last couple boxes have been very lackluster, and some of the products are really nice, but I do have a buildup of product, right? So I do need to stop. I do need to press pause. So that is what I will do. I am going to pause this one after this box. This is the last box I'll get from Allure for probably a few months, just to kind of give myself some time to go through some of the stuff. I need to reorganize all the stuff I have. Even though I did reorganize it, I still need to reorganize it again because I feel like I need to label stuff, as in what order I need to use it. That's neither here nor there. That's not what you came for. Thank you so much for watching. I said that, but that's okay. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. This is not a sponsored video, obviously. Pay for this with my own money, which is why I can pause it. The box is roughly about $32, $33 a month. So that will save me. Is it 26? It's going to save me money either way. Either way. Have a great day. Enjoy those around you. Enjoy your life. You only get one here on earth, I should say. Peace.